Hey guys, welcome back to Car System Installation. Today we have a 2019 Jeep Wrangler vehicle here. This vehicle is a push button but also manual transmission. It's a very popular vehicle that we see a lot of them get stolen, so we've installed our PIN code anti-theft system and we'll show you how it works. So in the vehicle, when you sit down, when you hold the start and when you hold the brake and the clutch and you press the start button, the vehicle won't actually start. You have to enter the specific code that we have created, or that the customer can change it, and only once you enter the code, you're gonna get a confirmation in here to show you that the code has been accepted. So we're gonna put the code just for us to know. We get a confirmation, the two signals, and then the car can be started. Now, being a manual vehicle, this vehicle can be obviously jump start, which means you can put it in gear, push the vehicle and start. So we also added another safety for that feature, so that even if the starter wire has to be bypassed, the car will start. So the car will start and run for about 10 seconds and shuts off. So we added an extra connections and blockings to make sure that the car will shut off even if it's jump start without the starter wire. For the anti-theft PIN code system and for other electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.